Hey y'all, this is Jessica with Bless Your Heart. Let's make a glittered slim koozie tumbler today. So I wanted to show you how to get center compared to your lid. But as you can see, this is horrible footage and I do apologize for that. But whenever you do line up where the lid goes front to back, you can make a little mark and that will give you true center. So to start this cup, I'm going to spray paint Grape from Rustoleum over the entire tumbler. And I'm going to use the Epoxy Method for my glitter adhesion today. My glitter choices are going to be West Texas Glitter Grape Jelly and Evil Queen. When you use the epoxy method for your glitter adhesion, you want to use the least amount of epoxy possible for complete glitter coverage. I am using a chunky first today, so I'm going with a little bit more than what you would normally use, but you want to smooth it over the entire tumbler. You don't want to see any bald spots or feel any dry spots at all. And you do want to smooth all those lines out as best as you can. If you ever have issues kind of getting rid of your finger marks in your epoxy, you can go in and kind of tap the actual epoxy. And what that does is basically it kind of erases all of those finger marks and smooths everything down to where it looks nice and uniform. I'm starting with Evil Queen, which is the chunky, and I am going pretty much full coverage top to bottom, side to side with this glitter. I want full coverage with all of these chunky pieces. I want this to be the predominant glitter that you see when you look at this cup. Now that we're done with the chunky, we're going to go in with the fine cut purple. And what this is going to do is just going to go in and fill in any potholes that we may have with the chunky glitter. Any bare spots or places that it doesn't cover all the way down to the cup, this fine is going to go in and settle into all of those nooks and crannies, and we're going to end up with a completely covered tumbler. Now that we've laid down all this glitter, I'm going to go in and wrap this cup up in a piece of printer paper because we mostly have chunkies on here and we want those to be as flat as possible so we don't end up with an epoxy brick or we have to do a lot of sanding or anything like that. So this is going to be our best bet to get it nice and flat, and that's also going to help all that glitter be as reflective as possible. Once this layer of epoxy dries, we are going to go in and do 2 more coats of a fast set epoxy, and then we're going to get ready for decals. This is going to be for a college here in Texas, and so I'm going to go by my marks that I have made at the beginning with my cup lid, and I'm going to put one of the decals on one side and one of the decals on the other. Now I did go in and layer the actual word just with a light purple and then a white, just so it'll stand out a little bit, but it's nothing special. We're just going to put one decal on one side, one decal on the other, and then we're going to epoxy the entire tumbler until smooth. And here we go. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.